Alright, today we're going to show you guys how to change your belt on your new body style XP 1000. I hope you're changing it to a Hunterworks belt. Our XP 1000 Ranger belt's a pretty decent amount thicker, a little bit wider. Tap the gas, you move. It's absolutely amazing. This is our big old duck build Ranger. Used it all last year, never slipped a belt. But make sure you take a look at these. But let's get on to how to actually change this belt. First thing you do is go in your tool kit and get your little belt change tool bolt. It's a bent bolt, and you find the threaded hole in your secondary. All right. By the magic of video, mine is about almost screwed all the way in. I might have said that too quick. All right, now once it's screwed in, what that's doing is separating your two halves so that you can get slack, and then you just rotate it around. Alright, she's off. Now, FYI, when you're putting a belt on, belts are not directional. That's a myth. They're only directional after you put them on. So we always say, put them on where you can read the writing, okay? Alright, if we're going to put this belt back on, we'll go around the primary clutch. Depending on what direction you want to go. I think it'd probably be easier to go back on this way. Take your tool out. By the magic of TV, my tool is out, and then you're going to want to rotate it until the belt works itself back up to the top of the secondary. There we go. Alright, you're going to have to rotate it backwards because this has a one-way bearing in it. Alright, and put your cover back on. Watch our cover video on how to take cover off, put it back on. We can certainly, if I think about it, put a link up here to get back over there. Alright guys, got any questions about changing a belt on one? Give me a holler. Todd at Hunterworks.com. Thanks.